So in this lecture we will discuss basic things which will be useful in the chapter straight line. First we will discuss determinant, because in future we will use concept of determinant to derive Cartesian equation of line. So for that purpose we will learn how to evaluate determinant, what is determinant, and how to evaluate value of the determinant. This symbol stands to denote determinant. For example, say A1, B1, A2, B2. So this is called 2 by 2 determinant. 2 by 2 determinant means having 2 rows and 2 columns, and value of this determinant A1, B2, it is called principal diagonal, and B1, A2 is called subsidiary diagonal. So you have to take multiplication of elements of principal diagonal A1, B2, subtract multiplication of entries lies in the subsidiary diagonal, that is B1 into A2. So this is called value of 2 by 2 determinant A1, B2 minus, you have to take minus sign, B1, A2. This is called value or expansion of 2 by 2 determinant. As for example, suppose 2, 3, 4, 1, then its value is multiplication of entries of principal diagonal, that is 2 into 1, minus multiplication of entries lies in the subsidiary diagonal, 3 into 4. So simplification, 2 minus 4 into 3, 12. So this is minus 10. So this is called value of this given 2 by 2 determinant. 2 into 1, 2, minus, you have to take minus 4 into 3, that is 12. So 2 minus 12, that is minus 10 is the value of. We take another example. Say 5, 6, 3, 4. So value of this determinant 5 into 4 minus 6 into 3. Multiplication of entries lies in the principal diagonal, subtract multiplication of entries lies in the subsidiary diagonal. So 5 into 4 minus 6 into 3. So this is 20 minus 18. So this is 2. 2 is the value of given determinant. So this is the method to evaluate 2 by 2 determinant. In future we shall have to expand 3 by 3 determinant, and in the expansion of 3 by 3 determinant one has to use expansion of 2 by 2 determinant. So first one has to learn how to expand 2 by 2 determinant. Now we discuss expansion of 3 by 3 determinant. Suppose A1, B1, C1. 3 by 3 determinants means 3 rows and 3 columns. Say A1, B1, C1 A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This you have used in the physics to evaluate vector in the expansion of how to evaluate A bar cross B bar. In physics, you have already used this properties, expansion of 3 by 3 determinants to evaluate A bar cross B bar. You are familiar with this. I cap, J cap, K cap, component of A bar A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. So in physics you know how to evaluate this 3 by 3 determinant. Same method here we are using. Value of this 3 by 3 determinant A1 into B2, C2, B3, C3. First A1 into multiplication 2 by 2 determinant. Which 2 by 2 determinant? You leave the column and row in which A1 lies. Remaining entry B2, C2, B3, C3 will form a 2 by 2 determinant. So this will be in the multiplication. So A1 into 2 by 2 determinant. Which 2 by 2 determinant? Leave the column and row in which A1 lies. Remaining entries will form 2 by 2 determinant, that will be in the multiplication. So now you have to expand using this sign, plus, minus, plus. So second entry we will take minus B1 into 2 by 2 determinant. Which 2 by 2 determinant? Again leave the column and row in which B1 lies. Remaining entries will form 2 by 2 determinants, that will be A2, C2, A3, C3. Here you have to take care, you have to take minus sign. Now last plus C1 into, leave the column and row in which entry C1 lies. Remaining will form 2 by 2 determinant A2, B2, A3, B3. So this is value or expansion of 3 by 3 determinant. Now easily you can evaluate A1 into B2, C3, as we have discussed how to evaluate 2 by 2 determinant. B2, C3 minus C2, B3 minus B1 into A2, C3 multiplication of entries of the principal diagonal minus C2A3 minus C2A3 plus C1 into A2B3 multiplication of entries of the principal diagonal minus B2A3. So this is called value or expansion of given 3 by 3 determinant. This is 3 by 3 determinant symbolically. Normally determinant we will denote it by D, capital D, to denote given 3 by 3 determinant, and this will be the value of given 3 by 3 determinant. So in the expansion of 3 by 3 determinant, you have to use expansion of 2 by 2 determinant. Now we take one simple example. Evaluate these are the basic concept we will use to find Cartesian equation of straight line. This method of determinant, so for that purpose we are discussing this additional information. Evaluate 3, 4, 2, 1, 6, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. So as we have discussed how to evaluate this 3 by, we will take entries of the first row. We will use sign in this formula, plus minus plus. So 3 into 2 by 2 determinant, which 6, 0, minus 1, 4. Leave the column and row in which entry 3 lies. Remaining will form 2 by 2 determinant 6, 0, minus 1, 4. So 3 into 2 by 2 determinant 6, 0, minus 1, 4. Now second entry we have to take minus. So minus 4 into 2 by 2 determinant, which 2 by 2 determinant. Leave the column and row in which entry 4 lies. Remaining entry will form 2 by 2 determinant 1, 0, 2, 4. 1, 0, 2, 4. So next finally plus 2 into again 2 into 2 by 2 determinant, which 2 by 2 determinant. Leave the column and row in which entry 2 lies. Remaining will form 1, 6, 2, minus 1. So now we are able to evaluate this 3 into 6 into 4, 24, minus 0, 1 minus 1 into 0, that is 0, minus 4 into 1 into 4, minus 2 into 0. As we have discussed, expansion of 2 by 2 determinant plus 2 into 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 6 into 2, 12. So now we can simplify this. Minus 16, minus 26. Now you can simplify. This will be the value of given 3 by 3 determinants. Now I give you formula. What is Cartesian equation? Cartesian equation of line passing through two distance point ax1 comma y1 and bx2 comma y2 is given by determinant xy1, coordinates of A x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 equal to 0. So this is the equation of line AB, Cartesian equation of line AB. Coordinates of A and B are given. A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2. Then Cartesian equation of line AB passing through A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 is given by xy1 xy1 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 equal to 0. So this is the Cartesian equation of line passing through two distance point A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2. Now we take one simple example. Find out equation of straight line AB where A 1 comma 2 and B 2 comma 1. Find out equation of, equation means Cartesian equation. Cartesian xy coordinates are known as Cartesian coordinates. So we will evaluate Cartesian equation of line AB. So according to above formula, solution equation of line AB is given by determinant xy1 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 equal to 0. So using this determinant xy1, coordinates of A we have to take as x1 y1, coordinates of B we will take as x2 y2. So xy1 x1 y1 1 2 1 x2 y2, that is 2 1 1. Now let us evaluate this. So x into, now x into 2 by 2 determinant, as we have discussed how to evaluate 3 by 3 determinant, 2 1 1 1. Second entry we have to take minus y into, again leave the column and row in which y lies. Remaining entry will form 2 by 2 determinant 1 1 2 1. Now plus 1 into 1 2 2 1 equal to 0. So this is using method of expansion of 3 by 3 determinant. Now x into 2 minus 1, we know how to evaluate 2 by 2 determinant, minus y into 1 minus 2 plus 1 into 1 minus 4 equal to 0. Now if we simplify, 2 minus 1, 1 into x, 1 minus 2 minus, minus minus plus, x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, or Cartesian equation of line AB is x plus y equal to 3. This is required Cartesian equation of line AB, and you can easily verify, since this is the line passing through points A and B, so coordinates of A and B will satisfy this equation. You observe A1 comma 2. What is the equation of line? X plus y plus 3. If this equation is correct, we can easily verify, then coordinates of point will satisfy given Cartesian equation. Say we take LHS x plus y, x coordinate 1, y coordinate 2, 1 plus 2, that is 3, which is RHS. So you can observe, since line passing through A and B, so coordinates of A and B will satisfy given equation. Easily you can verify. Similarly, coordinates of B will also satisfy given equation. So x plus y equal to 3, it is Cartesian equation of given line passing through, Cartesian equation of line AB passing through given coordinates A1 comma 2 and B2 comma 1. We take more example. This is only basic concept of determinant because this concept of determinant in chapter straight line, there are two different topics in which you have to use this concept of determinant. First one, to find Cartesian equation of straight line, and second one, to find area of triangle when coordinates of 3 vertices are given. In such a cases, you have to use expansion of this 3 by 3 determinant. So one should have familiar with this expansion of 3 by 3 determinant. So this basic concept we are discussing. Now another example. If A 4 comma 5 and B 2 comma 7, then find Cartesian equation of line AB. So let us discuss solution. Only we are discussing basic concept. So here A 4 comma 5, B 2 comma 7. So Cartesian equation of line AB, it is given by determinant xy1, x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1 equal to 0. So using this, coordinates of A we will consider as x1 comma y1. Coordinates of A x1, comma y1. Coordinates of B we will consider as x2 comma y2. So xy1 x1 y1 4 5 1 x2 y2 2 7 1 equal to 0. Now let us expand this 3 by 3 determinant. So as we have discussed earlier, x into 2 by 2 determinant 5 1 7 1, second component one is to take minus, so minus y into 4 1 2 1 plus 1 into 4 5 2 7. So let us simplify. X into 5 minus 7 minus y into 4 minus 2 plus 1 into 4 into 7 28 minus 10 equal to 0. So let us simplify. Minus 2x minus 2y plus 18 equal to 0, or if we divide by minus 2, then x plus y minus 9 equal to 0, or x plus y equal to 9. This is Cartesian equation of line AB, and easily you can verify. You check this: a4 comma 5, a4 comma 5, b 2 comma 7, coordinates of b 2 comma. Now if this equation is correct, then coordinates of a and b will satisfy given equation. You can easily verify. Put for a 4 comma 5, what is LHS? X plus y. Put x coordinate 4, y coordinate 5, 4 plus 5 9, that is RHS. So since line passing through point A and B, so coordinates of A satisfy given equation. Similarly, you can verify coordinates of B will also satisfy given equation. So this is x plus y equal to 9 is the Cartesian equation of line passing through A 4 comma 5 and B 2 comma 7. Similarly, in Homburg you can verify, you can obtain equation, find out equation of line. For practice purpose, find out equation of line passing through A 2 comma 3 and and B 2 comma 7. So for practice, you can evaluate Cartesian equation of line passing through A 2 comma 3 and B 2 comma 7. Answer will be x equal to 2. You can verify, answer will be x equal to 2. When you use this formula, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, So using this formula, xy1 x2y to 2 3 1 2 7 1 equal to 0. When you simplify this one, your answer will be x equal to 2. So in next lecture we will take more examples for practice purpose. Only we have discussed basic things. What is 2 by 2 determinant, what is 3 by 3 determinant, how to expand 2 by 2 determinant, how to expand 3 by 3 determinant, and using the expansion of 3 by 3 determinant, how to evaluate Cartesian equation of line passing through two distant points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. So next time we will discuss more basic results for this chapter.